Today I'm making barbecue chicken stuffed crescent rolls. First I'm going to do some prep work. I'm going to prep some bacon. I have a lined baking sheet with tin foil on it. This is the bacon I'm going to be using, and I'm going to put it on the baking sheet and cook it at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. The bacon is cooking. I'm going to get the barbecue chicken ready. In my bowl I have 2 cups of cooked chopped chicken. Next I'm going to add 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce and mix that up until it's combined. Next I have some crescent rolls and some sharp cheddar cheese, and then I'm going to build the crescent rolls. On my lined baking sheet I'm going to put a piece of the crescent roll dough, then put a scoop of barbecue chicken and spread that out, then a piece of bacon, and then a piece of cheese on top. Then I'm going to roll up the crescent and repeat the process with the rest of the crescent dough. Now that I finished all the crescents, I'm going to put this in the oven at 375 for 10 minutes. This is what the barbecue chicken stuffed crescent rolls looked like when they came out of the oven.